Hey guys, today we're going to find out what happens when you run a piece of oak veneer plywood through your thickness planer, using your hand plane or a power planer. Now, no one has asked this question before because it's a very dumb question and I'm sure it's going to blow up in my face. Let's get to it. All right, let's see how the hand plane does. Oh, that was rough. It's actually planing just like oak. Not too bad. Oak is very hard to plane, it would seem, with a dull hand plane. Oh God. I mean, good shavings. This is really smooth. Oh, we blew it on the end with the cross grain next layer of plywood there. Let's continue. Oh, these are actually decent shavings now. All right, we're through. So, I don't know. I took a few layers off without going through the oak veneer outside layer. It actually worked pretty good. Nothing blew up until this little bit at the end, so A+ experiment. All right, next up, let's give it a shot with the power planer, see what happens. Oh, that created a lot of really small dust. Next pass. I mean, it's kind of smooth. The ends are definitely rough because their grain's going this way, so that's to be expected. Let's just finish this off. All right. So the results are in, and yeah, you can thickness plane, hand plane, or power plane a piece of plywood, but results will vary. So you can see the thickness planer left a really nice finish. I don't know why you'd want to take off the veneer, but it left a really nice finish once you got past that grain that was going the opposite direction. So this is the grain 2 layers down, which is going with the grain when it went through the thickness planer. There's a little bit of tear out here, but this is actually really smooth and nice. Obviously on the back side, this is the opposite grain. It's extremely rough, but you can still sand it smooth. And with the hand plane, I mean, you can do it. Do you want to? No. And again, power planer, still kind of the same thing as a thickness planer. I'm sure if I would have went through to the grain running this direction, it would have left a good finish. So in short, I don't know what the point of this video was. Thanks for watching.